Hello everyone, welcome back to WsCube. In our today's session, we will be learning about if-else statement. In our previous session, we covered if-this statement. Today, we will be starting with the if-else statement. Now, what is if-else statement?
Also, if you want to become a successful data analyst and you want to learn from our industrial experts, then you may call on the number given below, or you can also click on the link given in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free. So let's get started, guys.
Let's have a look on if-else statement. The if-else statement is used when we have two conditions, when we want to give two conditions to the computer that when we know key any one of these conditions will be satisfied. If not this, then definitely this will be satisfied. Let's talk about a number being positive or negative. So if a number is not positive, then definitely it's negative, or if a number is not negative, then definitely it's positive. Same goes for odd and even. If a number is even, it is not odd, and if a number is odd, it is not even. So we know that it will be either this or either that. So here we are giving two conditions to the computer, and if one of our given condition is false, the computer automatically executes the another condition. Right. Now let's see how to write it down. So in our conditional statements, I will be adding this new topic, that is if-else statement. How to write an if-else statement? Let's say I'm considering the same example which I took in the previous session, that is marks. Let's say someone has scored 75 marks. I'll give a condition over here that if marks are greater than 80, in that condition, print, again we are presenting the person with a new phone. So we'll write, you will get a new phone. But what if a person is not getting more than 80? So either it can be more than 80 or less than 80. There is nothing in between, right? So else, one thing to remember about else, that with else we never write any condition. It is a rule. If you will write any condition with the else, it will throw an error. Suppose even if I try to write if else marks are smaller than 80, you can see there is a red line which is completely telling me, okay, this is the error. We don't have to give any condition with the else. And in the context of English language also, with the else we never give any condition. So yes, if and else. So if a person is not getting good marks, that is maybe he's getting less than 80, then we will snatch the phone that he already has. So you will not use your phone for a week. Okay, that's a good punishment, it seems. So if I run the code, it says you will not use your phone for a week because the person has scored 75. At the same time, the person has scored 82. In that condition, if I run the code, it gives me you will get a new phone. So this is how conditional statement, if else statement is written, where you provide the two conditions. One which if not happens, then the second one definitely happens. That where we have two choices, that if one is not there, then the second one is definitely there. If the second is not there, the first is definitely there. Right. This was the example of if-else statement. I hope it is clear to you and you have no doubts, no questions. We will be doing more of these questions in our problem solving section. Then I guess if you even have a small doubt, then those will be cleared in the problem solving section. So in our next session, we will be learning about if-else statement, where not just two, we can give multiple statements. We will be discussing it in brief. That's all for this session, and stay connected. I'll see you in the next session.